Namaskaram. In this Agni initiative, we are going to explore about copper and how storing water in copper vessels can be beneficial for you and your whole family. So first of all, if you can try keeping water overnight in copper vessels or at least for a minimum of 4 hours, you will see that the water acquires a certain quality from copper which is particularly very beneficial for your liver and your health and energy. So try this and see where if you can have copper vessels at home and store the water overnight or at least for a minimum of 4 hours and then drink water from the same. If you are, you'll also notice that when the water is coming through pipes with various twists and turns, then the water imbibes a certain negativity. Certain negativity can happen in the water when it goes through so many twists and turns. But the thing with water is that it can also unfold itself back to its original state if you just leave it undisturbed for an hour or so. So it's best that if you can tap the water from the pipe or from wherever it's coming and then store it in a vessel, preferably copper, and then drink the water, you will see that it helps in removing the negativity, and also the water acquires a certain quality from copper which can bring health and well-being. And since 72% of your body is water, it can make a big difference if you consume water in the right way. Another thing is, if you're traveling, constantly traveling, then you may be ingesting poisons in various forms, minor poisons. So if you drink water from copper vessels, this copper can handle this for you. So even if you're traveling, if you have something like a copper bottle, if you can store it in this and then drink it, at least store it for about 4 hours and then drink water from there, it will be very beneficial and can take care of these minor poisons within your system. So please experiment with this and see, and let us know how your experience is.
If you eat food and your body feels very agile and alive, that means it's good food, body is liking it. If you eat something, it feels dull, that means it's not liking it, it's having difficulty with it, that's why it feels dull.
Namaskaram. For those of you looking to explore about food in depth, we also have an online program on food called as Ahar. So we have a website called as ahar.yogire.com which will have more details about this program. If you are looking to grow on the path of yoga, then food is as important as sadhana. So it's very important that you see what kinds of foods to eat which can assist you in this inner journey, and more importantly also how to eat. So we'll be looking at this in depth in this online program, and this can be done from the comfort of your home. From wherever you are, you can log in and do this program. So if you wish to explore this in depth, please log into our Ahar website and you can see if this is something which can help you take a step towards your inner growth. And we hope that the simple process of eating can also become a stepping stone towards your ultimate well-being. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.